Hello everyone, warm welcome back to YAJE'S Garden. Yaje here with another gardening video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you updates on my garden egg plants right here, and also share with you 3 reasons why your garden egg seeds might not have germinated. These are my garden egg plants. They are about 6 weeks old now. In about a week or two, I'm gonna directly plant them in the garden. But so far, this is what I have done to get my garden eggplants to look this healthy. The seeds were started indoors on a heat mat, and I'm going to share a video on how to start the seeds of the garden eggplants, when to start the seeds, and all of that good stuff in the description box below if you're interested. But I started the seeds indoors and they sprouted in about 10 days. After they sprouted, I had to expose them to light because that's what you need to do to grow lights. Or if you have a greenhouse, you can also just do that in the greenhouse. But I had them indoors under grow lights and then eventually brought them outside to my greenhouse out here. What I've also done is I have fed my garden egg plants twice now with this water soluble fertilizer right here. You have to know what you're doing. I had to dilute this to 1/4 of the strength because I was feeding very young seedlings. I also had to wait until my seedlings were about 4 weeks after germination to begin that feeding process. Another thing that I have done is I have since repotted or uppotted my garden egg seedlings. They were growing in tiny cells, but I repotted them into these big containers, as you can see, so that I can provide it with more soil and more nutrients. And in the process of repotting, I did get rid of a lot more seedlings. You always plant a lot of seeds, but then you thin them out, you throw away the unhealthy ones, and then keep only what you need. So what I have right now is 8 garden egg plants, and that's all I am keeping. Another thing I have done is I have bottom pruned. I will pinch off the leaves that are closest to the ground here. And the reason why we want to do that is to prevent contamination. As you water, things leave from the soil onto your leaves, and they can get into your leaves and start to get into your plant and start to cause problems. So I've been bottom pruning. You can see it's clean down there, just pinching off some of these leaves, 1 or 2 leaves that are closer to the ground. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna spray my garden eggplants with a solution of neem oil. That's something that I plan to do this year. So this is the concentrated version. I followed the instructions and then created this ready to use spray mix right here. And it's not a sunny day today, so I'm okay to spray, but you want to spray like in the evening. Don't spray with neem oil when the sun is hot, because the water is going to evaporate and that concentrated neem can end up burning your plants. I've waited until my plants are about 6 weeks old to start this spraying process. It's better to not mess with all these chemicals on your plants when they are very tender. So I'm doing this as a prevention measure for protecting against powdery mildew, spider mite, white flies, rust, aphids, and so on and so forth. So it's just a prevention strategy that I plan to implement this year, to spray my plants with neem. Okay, so that's the update on my garden egg plants so far. Now let's talk about 3 reasons why your garden egg seeds might not have sprouted. The very first one has to do with the viability of the seeds. Did you buy your seeds from a reputable seller? How old were your seeds? You want your seeds to be around 2 years old. The older the seeds, the lesser the chances of germination. And how were your seeds stored? If these seeds were saved by you, how did you save the seeds? Under what conditions? Did you store your seeds in a cool, dry place? Was it too hot? Because that is going to affect if your seeds will germinate. The second reason will have to do with the growing conditions, especially the temperature. The garden egg seeds are heat loving. They love heat to grow, and they also love heat for the seeds to germinate. The temperature we're looking at is 70 degrees Fahrenheit and above. So if you're starting your seeds indoors and you can control the temperature so that you have that 70 degrees and above, good. But if you're not able to get that, you can use a heat mat. A heat mat helps to heat the temperature of the soil by about 10 degrees, and that does speed up germination. The third reason is how deep you bury the seed. The garden egg seed is a tiny seed. If you bury the seed too deep, it's just gonna stay in there and rot. It's better to err on the side of planting your seed too shallow than burying the seed too deep. The distance that you want, or the depth, is about 1/4 of an inch. That is really, really small. So yeah, guys, those are 3 main reasons why your garden egg seeds might not germinate. 1, the viability of your seeds. 2, the temperature. And then 3, the depth of planting the seed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was valuable to you. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I sincerely hope that I earned your subscription if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Until next time, grow a garden. Happy gardening, everyone. Bye-bye.